Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to filter down to students who have a US mobile phone number. This is part of our new series about making configurable joins feel more accessible. If there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, feel free to reach out in the comments to be highlighted in a future video. We're starting on a person base today, and I'm going to create a subquery filter by clicking on the Configurable Joins button next to the Direct Filter button. I'm going to change my aggregate to be formula instead of exists, and then I'm going to go into exports to select mobile phone. For my formula, I'm going to grab my export and create a like condition. I open with a quotation mark, a plus sign, and a 1, and that is the US country code for phones. Then I have a space and a wildcard. The space means that we are looking for the single digit 1 to be standing alone, and the wildcard means that anything can come after that. Then I close my single quotation mark to end the condition, and I'm done. I hope that this helps you to reach out effectively over text messages to students in your target markets. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.